Hi, so today we are going to understand repr built-in function in Python. What repr function does is it accepts an object and converts it into a printable form, which is string. So let us see. First, let's print anything, like let's go with 3 by 2. Anything you can print. Yeah. So also let us print the type of 3 by 2. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. So here we see that we are getting it as a class of float. Uh, just a second. Understand repr. Yeah. So we can see that firstly we get 1.5 and second as class as float. Okay, it is in float category. Now let us use str now, repr now. repr of 3 by 2. Next line, let us see what is this. What is it? Is it type? Okay. Uh, yeah. Yeah. So let us see. Yeah. Now you can see again we are get just printing 1.5, but this time our type of our this 3 by 2 repr 3 by 2 is string. Yes. So repr converts any object to a printable format or a string.